Okay, the last one is set. Last one is sets. So, set කියන්නේ කුලක ගණිතය කියන කුලක වගේම තමයි. Set. Sets are used to store unique values without considering the order. So if you want to store the unique values without considering the order, the best way is use sets. Right, examples. So you can just, I'm going to do this quickly. I'm going to save the same file again as set examples. And set is quite similar to dictionary, but without the keys. So let's say you have marks or something like this, let's say numbers. And in these numbers, I'm going to use the curly braces and I'm going to put some numbers. Okay, let's say you put some numbers like this. Right, then I'm going to print these numbers. I'm going to print all the numbers. And I'm asking print what is the length of the numbers. And let's run this and you can see it's printing only the unique values. So you can see it's 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, only the unique values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Counting is 10. So number of unique values. If you want to put something, if you want to find some, you have large set of data and you want to find the unique values, the easiest thing is put it into a set. So can we append to a set? Numbers dot append. I'm going to append like 10 to the set. And you can see append set has no attribute called append. You can't append. Can we change a value? Can we access item like this? Number 0, can you print? No. Set does not support indexing. You can't like find the 0th item, first item. But there's one thing. Set will support print in all items. Print in all. Set will support that. That means for, you can say for element in set numbers, you can print it. Print the elements. That will be supported by the set and you can print all the numbers in the set. You can see here, it's printing all the numbers. So that is the only operation that you can do because it doesn't consider the order. So if you want to print the element in with equal, and you can do it. So that is the only possibility with the, because you can't assign, you can't index. It's just a group. Group. But it will return, the important thing is it will return the unique values. It will only keep the unique values. Duplicates will be automatically removed. So if you don't need duplicates, the best thing is add to a set. Put it in a set. Okay, so please write down this as the example. Write down this as the example. If you have doubts, please ask, right? If you have any doubts, please ask. Okay, sorry. Then I can help you resolve in that, right?
Sir, can append to a dictionary?
Yeah, you can append, but you have to append with, if you are append into a dictionary, you have to append with the key, right? So this is the dictionary. If you want to append, yes, you can append, but you have to append with the key. So let's append person, append. You can say, let's say key, use some key, right? You can give any key. So let's say 8, something, some value. So this is how you do this. But the keyword is sometimes it's appending. Here you can see it's not supporting the keyword. You can just say add. Oh, what's wrong there? Just wait, I want to check the keyword, sorry. You can add item to the dictionary, so no issue. But the keyword, the function, this is not clear. Yep, append is there, but press append. You have to give the key and then append, right? So first you have to make this empty and then use the key and append. That is the thing. So sorry, I couldn't remember this. Right, you have to first define the key, and to the key you can append the value here. So they have defined the key, name empty, address empty, age empty. Then you can use name dot append, dictionary address dot append, age dot append. So this is how you're going to append, right? But appending keys, again I get that confused in example, it seems. So let's try like this without using appending. Let's give something like this. Not sure, but let's give a try. Nothing wrong giving a try. No? I'm just doing something like this. Okay, let's say the person. I'm just putting a key. Person, hello. Now I'm giving a value like hi. Okay, I think it's working here. So now if I print the person, you can see hi is there, hello and hi. So you have to define the key and equal this to the value. And appending, of course, for appending, you can use a person dot person. Then you have to give the name and then append. Then you can try to give a value, say Kamal. And you have to give this empty, right? First of all, you have to give empty one. So that can be done by doing like this. Person, and I'm keeping empty one. Okay, let's give new value. New value or new value equal, I'm going to give empty list. To that list, I can append person, then the new value dot append. Actually, this is not append into the list, right? This is actual situation is this is append into a list, not append into the dictionary, append into the list. මොකද empty list එකක් දීලා ඒකට තමයි මේ append කරන්නේ. So this is not append into a dictionary, it is append into a list. But to append to the dictionary, you can use the new key and new value. Just define a key with a value and it will be added to the end of the list. This will work, but why this will work? Because new value is an empty list. Right, you can see to that empty list, you can append the value. That is a list actually, empty list. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙතනදි කරන්නේ new value කියලා dictionary item එකක් දීලා ඒකට empty list එකක් දාන්න. ඒ empty list එකට පස්සේ append කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඕන තරම් පුළුවන් append කරන්න. මොකද list එකකට දැන් dictionary එක ඇතුලේ list එකක් නේ තියෙන්නේ. ඒ හින්දා තව value එකක් වුණත් ඕනනම් append කරන්න පුළුවන්. තව value එකක් ඕනනම් ඒකත් append කරන්න. But this is not real appending, right? මේ real appending නෙවෙයි. මේ කරන්නේ list එකක් declare කරලා to that list append it. And it is not real appending. But this is how you are adding item to a dictionary. Thank you for asking that. Adding item to a dictionary. This is, please take a screenshot, right? Adding empty list to a dictionary and later appending items to it. And this is how you do appending, but this is not appending to a dictionary. This is adding a list and appending to that. Now you can take a screenshot of this. And to the set one, if you have taken screenshot for set, you can add the elements. If you want to add elements, you can say numbers dot add, not append, and you can add, let's say, a new one. This is how you add to the set. Now you can see 93 is added to the set. To add, you have to use add. Not append, you have to use add. Append is working for list. Append is not working for tuple. And different method is there for adding item for dictionary. Adding item to the set can be done using add method. Actually, 4 different methods, right? 4 different methods. Okay, with that, I'm going to stop for today. Right? Do you have any other questions? If so, you can ask. Okay, if not, let's finish the class and good night all. Let's see you all in the next week.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good night.
Thank you, sir.